Oh yeah, here's Estella right here. We're not allowed to pull the drapes back, unfortunately. It's A748911, and the blue sign says, "Who's not left her in there?" Yep, you're 100% right. Nursing mother and kennel. So I don't know how many pups are in there, but got her little litter. Yeah, a couple back was great. A couple of runs ago. Oh, okay, got it. You saw it. Got puppies. Oh my God. Yep, that's right, my mom. And again, real quick before we move on, I want to show you this beautiful face and eyes. Hey, baby. Come here, love. Come here, love. Just needs adoption.